Since 2002, Native Remedies has offered the best natural, safe, and effective herbal supplements and homeopathic medicines available. Our products support a more natural way of living and are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Here are just a few examples of the products Native Remedies has to offer and how simple they are to use. Liquid drops, like Mucus Clear, can be added to a quarter cup of water and sipped slowly, or dispensed directly into your mouth. Some of our liquid drop products, such as BioVent drops, can even be placed into your favorite juice. Veggie capsules like Mind Soothe can be swallowed whole, just like any capsule or pill, and washed down with your favorite beverage. Our oral sprays, like Appetite Go, are as simple as they sound. Before your initial dose, just depress the pump 4 to 5 times or until it is primed. Then spray directly into your mouth and continue on with your day. Products such as Vertifree come in tablet form and are very small and pleasant tasting. These small tablets can be chewed, dissolved on the tongue, or for children, crushed and sprinkled onto the tongue. Native Remedies products are specially formulated to support your complete holistic health and wellness, with quality, safety, and effectiveness you can trust. To determine your dosage for these and other products, follow each product's specific instructions, which can be found on the bottle or under the How to Use tab on the product's webpage.